Hi guys, hope you're doing great. I have decided to do a video series about the basics, the beginner's guide to trade in the Forex market. I know it's difficult to understand everything about the trading in Forex market, but I will do it as simple as possible to explain how it works. So I will do subject by subject in small short videos, and I hope that can help you get forward in your trading. So follow me in this video series. In this video I will just go through what I will talk about in the different episodes. So join me. Okay, first of all, don't miss to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel so you don't miss any episodes in this video series about the basics in Forex trading. So I will switch over now to a short presentation where I will go through what I will talk about in different episodes. Okay, so this is the subject I'm going to talk about in regards to trading in the Forex. And remember, this is just a really basic course to get started to trade. And it's very difficult, you need to know this, to learn how to trade in the Forex market. It will take hundreds and hundreds of hours to be a really good trader. And so what I will talk about is what is the Forex market. I will tell you how it works, what it is, who is trading, and all that kind of stuff. And then I will talk about what a broker is, because you need a broker to be able to trade in the Forex market. Then I will talk about some trading terminology. There are tons of different terms in regards to trading. I will also talk about tools to use to trade the Forex market, how they work, and what types there are. And I will also do much more in this video series. So this is just the beginning, and this is what you can expect from this crash course, so to say. And that's it, actually. So the next episode I will talk about the Forex market. Before I end this video, I want to inform you about the service that I have that actually trades on the Forex market with an EA. It's a robot that trades for us. And this is a great way for you to start earning money from the Forex market before you can do it yourself. It's easy to get going. You don't need any previous experience. You just create an account, connect to our service, and start earning money. I will show you some results that we had since we started. So I will switch over here to MyFX book. Okay, here you can see our MyFX book, and we started our service in late January, the 18th to be exactly. And since then, until today, you can see that we made 19.22% in profits. And the best with this is you don't need any previous experience. You just create an account with our partner that is a licensed and regulated broker, also a member of the Financial Commission. And then you deposit money there. The minimum deposit is $300. You can for sure deposit more money to make more profits. And when you have done that, you just connect your account to our service, and our robot will start trading for you as well. So if it sounds interesting to start with our service, I have put a link in my description below to a guide on how to get started. So just click that one and get going.